Today I'm going to show you how I sanitize the freshwater tank in my 2025 Casita Spirit Deluxe. The first step is to drain the freshwater tank completely. Underneath the Casita, you'll find a drain plug. Once it's removed, allow all of the water to flow out. For a 25-gallon freshwater tank, I mix 1/4 cup of unscented disinfecting bleach with 1 gallon of fresh water. Since the Casita has a 25-gallon tank, I'll make 2 separate gallons for a total of 1/2 cup of bleach. This process is recommended whenever fresh water has been left in the tank for more than 14 days. The process is simple and only takes a few minutes of work, plus some waiting time while the sanitizing solution does its job. Before adding the solution, reinstall the drain plug so the mixture stays inside the tank. Next, I pour both gallons of the bleach solution into the freshwater tank. I turn on the water pump and run both the kitchen faucet and shower for about a minute. This pulls the sanitizing solution through the water lines and pump so the entire freshwater system is treated. With the solution circulated, I use a garden hose to fill the freshwater tank completely. Now the hard part, waiting. I let the tank sit for at least 3 hours so the bleach solution has time to sanitize the tank and plumbing. After the soak period is complete, I drain the entire tank once again. Once empty, I flush the tank with fresh water to remove any remaining bleach solution. I run the faucet and shower again to flush the plumbing lines. Then I reinstall the drain plug and refill the tank with clean, fresh water. That's all there is to sanitizing the freshwater tank on a 2025 Casita Spirit Deluxe. It's quick, easy, and helps ensure your water system stays clean and ready for your next camping trip. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to High Desert Camping Adventures for more Casita camping and overlanding content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.